Welcome to DREADPOOL's Atari VCS unboxing. As you can tell, I have decided to use some green screen on this. It's not the best thing, but you know what? It does what it's supposed to do. It's a learning process, and maybe I will incorporate more green screen, and maybe I won't, but I think I will. Just got to learn more about this and better tricks. So first and foremost, I would like to thank the Game Complainers, because I was watching their podcast a while back, and they were talking about, it just popped up on sale, so I got this for $99 at GameStop. And then it's been sitting here. I haven't had a chance to unbox it. I haven't really, it's just literally, as you saw, the shipping package. And now here we are into the actual box. So I definitely need to thank them, and also I will have the links down in the description. Another person I will have on the description in here is Mike Mullis from the original Next Level Gaming. He's the one who specifically asked that he can't wait to see my version of the unboxing. So this is what I did because of him. I was going to do it anyway, but I'm giving him the credit. This is, basically this is for both of them. As you can tell, I'm having a little bit of issue with the unboxing. They just did not want to come out, no matter what I did. I tried to straighten out the flaps, I tried to get everything to slide out. It's one of those, I guess you have to open up both sides, but eventually I got it. The other thing, as you can tell, is I have green screen gloves on top of the green screen. So on top of that, I'm having a hard time getting a hold of anything because everything is just slipping out of my hands. Lesson learned. But that's fine. This is what we're here for. This is a learning this is a learning video just as well as it is an unboxing. So we got 3 boxes in total, each one with their little advertisements. Trying to figure out which one to open first, and I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and open up the console first. We got our cables. And again, having these gloves didn't make it easy. As you'll see, I'm trying to pull this out. Try not to let it slip out of my hands. And because of the tape, I didn't want it catching on to the fabric of the gloves, so I had to cheat, had to use a knife. And here it is, slipping through my hands. I can't pull the plastic down. So here's your backside. Transformer. Plug for the transformer. The HDMI cable. So look at the draw. I didn't know which one I was going to pick first. But here we go. The actual controller. Controller and a charge cable for it. It's a pretty long cable. Didn't even look to see how long it was. I just left it coiled up, but you can tell. And here's me not realizing the extent of the screen. And here we go. The joystick. Again, this is not easy. plastic and everything's sliding through. So we got the joystick and its charging cable. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, and forgive the green screen, but it's a process of learning, right? You gotta do it, you gotta fail, and then eventually you become better. And there's a little card that came with it. Thank you.